Today we will study another Malay verb which is datang. Datang. Datang in general means to come in English. However, there are many meanings of datang in Malay. The first one is when datang means to arrive in Malay. For example, you are seeing your uncle coming at the main gate of your house and immediately telling your mom of his arrival. Pakcik dah datang. Pakcik dah datang. Uncle has arrived. Next is when datang means the origin of someone or something. Saya datang dari Brazil. Saya datang dari Brazil. I'm from Brazil or I come from Brazil. Next is when datang means the future. For example, you might come across this phrase at a cinema. Akan datang ke pawagam anda. Akan datang ke pawagam anda. Coming soon to your cinema or will come to your cinema. The word akan is the marker that relates to the future. Next, when datang means to welcome. You will hear or see this phrase when you arrived in Malaysia inside a plane or at the airport. Selamat datang, which means welcome. Selamat datang ke Malaysia means welcome to Malaysia. Next, when datang means to menstruate or menstruation. Datang bulan. Datang bulan. To have her period. Bulan means the moon. So if you hear some of the ladies say datang bulan, that means they are on their period. Next, when datang means to come to someone. Datang sini. Datang sini. Come here. Next is when datang means to appear. Tiba-tiba idea datang. Tiba-tiba idea datang. Suddenly an idea came. And lastly, when datang means an invitation. Anda dijemput datang ke majlis perkahwinan anak kami. Anda dijemput datang ke majlis perkahwinan anak kami. You are invited to our son's or daughter's wedding. Let's see some clips from the drama Diary Ramadan Rafiq with the word datang. But before we continue, please like, share, and don't forget to leave me some comments about this lesson. And if you have still not subscribed, please do so. You will be notified when I release a new lesson each time. Okay, let's see the first clip.
Nama saya Kulok. Saya datang daripada kampung sebelah.
Nama saya Kulop. Saya datang daripada kampung sebelah. Nama saya Kulop. Saya datang daripada kampung sebelah. My name is Kulop. I come from the next village. Here datang means the origin. For your information, the word daripada here is a common error used colloquially. Grammatically, the correct word should be dari instead of daripada when a place or location is mentioned. However, this is so common colloquially and it is understood. The next example is
Arin! Arin!
Masuk.
Cepat sikit masuk dalam lambat ni.
Hari datang ni.
Harin datang ni. Harin datang ni. The lady Maksu, which means the youngest aunt in the family, is already late for work and urging her nephew to speed up because she has to send him to school before work. Cepat sikit, hurry up. And the nephew replied, Harin datang ni, which means I have come or I'm already here. If you notice that in this conversation, both of them did not address themselves as I or you. Instead, they used their names or their rank in the family. This is very common in Malay and it is more polite. Next.
Cepatlah Azwan, sekejap lagi abang datang. Tak nak!
Cepatlah Azwan. Cepatlah Azwan. Jap lagi Abah datang. Jap lagi Abah datang. Tak nak, tak nak. Hurry up, Hazwan. Father will come soon. I don't want. Here the word datang is paired with the marker jap lagi. Or it is actually sekejap lagi or sebentar lagi. It means soon. Next.
Kau datang lah jumpa aku.
Kau datang ah jumpa aku. Kau datang ah jumpa aku. You come ah meet me. Here datang is used as an invitation. Next example.
Bila dia datang sini je.
Bila dia datang sini je. Whenever he comes here. There is more to say after the phrase actually. Next.
Mama, Maisara datang ni.
Mama, Maisara datang ni. Mama, Maisara datang ni. Mama, I have come. Or I'm already here. The next one is.
Sorry lah Tima, kakak tak sempat datang masa Tima buat kenduri kahwin tu.
Sorry lah Tima, akak tak sempat datang masa Tima buat kenduri kahwin tu. Sorry lah Tima, akak tak sempat datang masa Tima buat kenduri kahwin tu. I'm sorry Tima, I did not have time to come when you had the wedding. Tak sempat means do not have enough time.
Kami datang bukan nak minta sedekah.
Kami datang bukan nak minta sedekah. Kami datang bukan nak minta sedekah. We came not to ask for donation. And lastly,
Kak pejabat tu banyak sangat kerja. Besok pelanggan daripada Cina pula datang. Macam-macam kerja kena buat tau.
kad pejabat tu banyak sangat kerja. Besok pelanggan daripada Cina tu nak datang. Macam-macam kerja kena buat tau. Kad pejabat tu banyak sangat kerja. Besok pelanggan daripada Cina tu nak datang. Macam-macam kerja kena buat tau. There is so much work at the office. Tomorrow, the customer from China will come. All kinds of work need to be done, you know. Besok means tomorrow. So the word datang is in the future. That is all for today's lesson. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa lagi.